Hello friends, good evening everybody. This is another video from Electric Doctors, and today in front of us there is MacBook Pro Macintosh 1278 is the model. The problem is laptop is not starting up. So you can see here it is MacBook Pro 1278 is the model. Now I am pressing the power button. So again I am pressing the power button. Display is not appearing. The laptop is not starting up. Okay. So now I can just show you another mother logic board of this model. Here it is. This is another logic board of the same model, MacBook Pro Macintosh, and over here you can see this is the processor, this is PCH, this is extra graphics, and this is just opposite part of the motherboard. The problem is in this part. So laptop is now starting up. If we just put some kind of heat with the air blower or maybe with the hair dryer over here in this PCI chip, and also this in this crystal, there is one crystal over here, you can see this is the crystal. So the laptop is starting up. So problem can be in two section. One is in this chip, another places maybe in this crystal. So we need to rework both the part, and we can see how long the laptop will run. First of all, after reworking, if the laptop is not working, then we just change this crystal. Okay, if the problem will be solve from the crystal part, then there is no need to just change the PCH, this chip. Okay, so for the moment, goodbye friends, and after resolving the issue we'll catch you later.